In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a green screen background in OBS Studio step by step. If you're streaming, recording YouTube videos, or creating online courses, using a green screen can instantly make your content look more professional. The good news is OBS has a built-in Chroma Key effect that makes this incredibly easy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove your green background cleanly and fix common issues like fuzzy edges or green spill on your face. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and content creation tutorials. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and make sure your camera or video source is already added to your scene. If you don't see yourself on the screen yet, go down to the Sources dock, click the plus icon, and add your video capture device. Select your camera, click OK, and confirm that your green screen is clearly visible behind you. Now, in the Sources dock, locate your camera or video source. Right-click on that source. A menu will appear. From this menu, click on Filters. This is where we'll add the effect that removes the green background. Inside the Filters window, you'll see two sections. At the top is Audio-Video Filters, and at the bottom is Effect Filters. We'll be working in the Effect Filter section. In the bottom left corner of that section, click the plus icon. A list of available effects will pop up. From that list, choose Chroma Key. OBS will ask you to name the filter. You can name it anything you like, but for clarity, type green screen. Then click OK. As soon as you add the Chroma Key filter, you should see your green background start to disappear automatically. On the right side, you'll see several settings that control how the effect behaves. First, make sure the key color type is set to green. OBS usually selects this by default, but it's always good to double check. Now, let's fine-tune the settings to get a clean result. The most important slider is Similarity. This controls how much of the green color gets removed. Slowly increase the Similarity slider until the green background disappears completely. Be careful not to push it too high, because if you do, parts of your face, hair, or clothing might start to disappear as well. Next is the Smoothness slider. If you notice rough or fuzzy edges around your hair, shoulders, or arms, gently increase smoothness. This helps blend the edges so the cutout looks more natural. Adjust it gradually until the outline looks clean without making the image too soft. The third important setting is key color spill reduction. Sometimes after removing the green screen, you might notice a slight green tint on your skin or clothes. This is called color spill. To fix it, slowly increase the key color spill reduction slider until the green tint disappears and your natural colors return. Take a moment to tweak these three sliders, Similarity, Smoothness, and Key Color Spill Reduction, until your background is fully removed and your image looks clean and professional. Good lighting makes a huge difference here. Make sure your green screen is evenly lit and that you're standing a little distance away from it to reduce shadows and spill. Once you're happy with the result, simply close the Filters window. Your green screen background is now successfully removed in OBS Studio. You can place any image, video, or background scene behind you by adding it as a source and dragging it below your camera layer in the Sources dock. And that's it. That's how you remove a green screen background in OBS Studio using the built-in Chroma Key filter. It's quick, simple, and once you dial in the right settings, it can dramatically upgrade your video quality. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS Studio tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.